What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you a different tutorial on Scratch, which is that the sprite that you have on this place will ask you what is your name. You have to tell your name, then he will answer back, he or she will answer back, hi, your name. Like, if I enter Scratchy, which my name is, my character will say, hi Scratchy, in talk bubble, not text to speech. We'll work on that later. So yeah, let's get started. First we'll need a sprite. We have one right here. And I'm gonna move into a great position. Okay, that's it. So then we're gonna go to events and take this block over here. Then we need to go to sensing, which is right here. Then drag a ask and wait block. You can change this to anything you want. So yeah, when you click it, it'll say what's your name, and you'll have a box to input your name to. I'll just say Scratch Z. Okay, so this tutorial, what am I saying? This program is up to this long now. Now we need this character to respond back, hi Scratch Z. So first I'm gonna go to variables, or if you don't want to use a variable, you can go by not using a variable. You can just go to looks. Okay, mind you, you will not write my name is or it's or anything. Just write your name. Just your name. You get me? Now I'll go to save. Drag this block. And I'll go to operators. Say hello. So this is it. Then I'm gonna go to this block, say hello, drag another this block, and okay, we don't need this, I'm sorry. I'll go to sensing and drag this answer block in here. So let's see. I'll start. I'm reminding you once again, just say your name. No, it's this, it's Scratchy, or my name is Scratchy, or hi, I'm Scratchy, nothing, just Scratchy, or your name. I'll enter Scratch Z. Cool, now I can input another thing too, like abracadabra. Wrong person. Hello, abracadabra. Then I'm gonna put in Scratch Cat. Hello, Scratch Cat. Okay, so this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to join Scratch Z family. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, or maybe not tomorrow, in my next video, because tomorrow is gonna be a long day, boring day, lots of work. But yeah, see you next time.